All in a day's fun. Good morning, folks. Sunday morning, bright and early. My wife and I are going to take our electric bikes out for a spin this morning. And you're probably wondering, why are these bikes in our living area? Well, we've been having severe thunderstorm, hail, all kinds of crazy weather here, and we didn't have a cover for them yet, and these things are not cheap. So we're protecting our investment, and we brought them inside the house. So today they go out where they're supposed to be, and today we are gonna go to Lake Mead. As soon as I put my battery in and put my wife's battery in, down the stairs they go. We'll see you on the road and talk to you later. Don't forget to subscribe. The on and off button. Are we ready to go yet? Well, folks, here I sit on the side of the road, 10 miles into our ride this morning, my first ride on my Pedigo, and I had a flat tire. It's got a tube inside, so basically I could take the tube off, search for the hole, and I could plug it, or I can spend 12 bucks and go out and buy a new tube. But anyways, my wife took off on hers, blasted home, got our truck, and now she's back to pick me up, and I'll have to bring this home. All in a day's fun. We'll talk to you later.
Wow.
And I was like, what I did was she rode the last 2 miles home.
I'll wait until you get down. I got it.
You got it?
That is bizarre.
Yes, ma'am. How's it going there, guys? Vlad with Pedigo Henderson here, bringing you some awesomeness. So right now, we just finished up installing some Tannis armors in both of the bikes here, both the front and the back. And basically what it does is it creates that extra layer of protection on your tube. So if you do puncture your tire, the inner liner is going to protect the tube from any pretty much punctures and stuff of that nature. What's awesome about these is it also includes the slime. So when the tube is punctured, which is below the armor, so basically the pressure that comes from the tube is going to redirect to any of the punctures in the tube, and it's going to seal it up with the slime for the time being. So that being said, with the armors, you're getting pretty much a nice little layer of protection on your tube when it comes to riding these bikes, and yeah, it's pretty cool.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. Is there anything special that we have to do to maintain it?
Honestly, just to maintain the proper PSI on both the front and the back. So you want to keep the front with 40 PSI and the rear with 50.
Great.
Cool.
Well, thank you very much. I
Wish we
appreciate
had
it.
this stuff. If I had known about that when we purchased these, I would have had you do that right off the bat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now I don't have to carry a spare tube and tire fixing stuff, and you know, like if I want to go for a 10-mile ride, a 10-mile ride is nothing on one of these.
Oh yeah, you're right on that.
Yeah, so
Honestly, yeah, you're gonna have a lot more longevity when it comes to having these armors. It's gonna provide a lot more life onto the tubes and more of the ride and enjoyment. So that's
right
pretty
on.
cool.
Thank you for taking care of us.
No problem, guys.
Yeah.
You guys have a great day now.
Yeah, thank you. Well, we took these out, we tested them a little bit, and this is their new home. It's a motorcycle slinky cover. Rolls right up, right over them. Keeps them protected from the sun and the rain and everything else. So don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you on the road.